If you're pulled over for a DWI, the first thing you do is you just cooperate with the police. You don't get belligerent, you don't fight them, you don't argue about why they pulled you over. Did they have a right to pull you over? Did you or didn't you speed or run through the stop sign or swerve over the line? You just cooperate, yes sir, no sir, and they're not going to change their position. They're going to ask you if you will submit to what they call field sobriety tests. It used to be called California tests, where they'll ask you to do, walk a straight line, stand on one foot. They almost always find that people fail to do that. People who are sober often can't do these activities. Then they'll place you under arrest. They'll bring you to the police station. They'll ask you to submit to a chemical test. They can ask you to either provide a breath test, a urine sample, or a blood test. I believe you can still refuse to give blood, but you have to submit to one of those other chemical tests, or you have to refuse to submit to them. The consequence of refusing to submit means you will have a longer suspension of your license, and it doesn't matter if you are even acquitted of drunk driving or DUI. Your license will be suspended, and it will be suspended longer than if you submit to the test, even if the results show that you're over the legal limit. So if there's no accident, if there's no injuries, if there's no complicating facts about the arrest, it's in most cases better to just submit to the breathalyzer, okay? If there was an accident, if there was an injury, if there were some other circumstances involved, then maybe not. You're always allowed to call an attorney prior to submitting to the test. They have to allow you the opportunity to call an attorney first. You could try to take advantage of that and try to do that. I know most people are arrested at 2 in the morning, and it's hard to find an attorney that answers at that time. But if it's a time where you can, or if you keep our number from this video, if I'm available, I'll take the call and I'll try to help you through that process.